In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable Focus Assist on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then on the left side, select Focus Assist. So choose which notifications you'd like to see in here so you stay focused. The rest will go straight to the Action Center where you can see them at any time. So you can turn it on by selecting either alarms only or priority only, or you could just disable it by selecting the off option up here at the top, which will get all notifications from your apps and contacts. And that's basically going to just turn off this Focus Assist feature altogether. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.